If you're experiencing server timeout issues in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to help improve your connection and gameplay experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Test your speed using an online speed test tool and consider using a wired connection for better stability. Step 2. Restart your router. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Update your game. Make sure that Red Dead Redemption 2 is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them to ensure optimal performance. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic. Additionally, consider changing your DNS settings to public DNS server like Google DNS for potentially improved connectivity. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Rockstar Support for assistance. They may have specific solutions or updates regarding server issues that could help resolve your timeout problems. By following these steps, you can enhance your gaming experience and reduce server timeout occurrences in Red Dead Redemption 2.